Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to learn about DQL, Data Query Language. We know how to create a table using DDL commands and how to insert values inside the table using DML command. So now we are going to fetch data from the database using DQL commands. So today we are going to learn about select clause, from clause and where clause. Okay. So first let me create this. First you have to create a database. So let me create this database. Then we are going to use the database. Inside the database we are going to create this table. One is department table, department ID and department name. Another one is employee table. There you have employee ID, name, age, salary and foreign key department ID. So now we will insert values using DML commands. So in department table we have inserted values. Now we are going to insert values in employee table. So we have now the values are inserted. Okay. Now we are going to learn how to write queries. Let me show you the table. Just let me refresh it here. So if I click two tables, department table, employee table. Clear? Now my question is, please fetch all the name from the employee table. Okay. So how to write the query? So first you have to use the select clause. Select. What do you want to select? I said name. Select name. From where? From the table name. The table name is employee. Now if I execute this, see what is the result. Okay. All the names are selected. Clear? Okay, now we have learned how to fetch a single column. But if my question is how to select employee ID and name both from the employee table, then you have to write select employee ID from employee table. See, if I execute this, see, you can see the employee ID, but I want employee ID and name also. So, comma name. Now you can see what happened. Sorry, employee ID and name. Clear? So you can select employee ID name. So by putting comma you can select multiple columns from using a single query. Now I want to see all the columns. So will you write like this? Select employee ID comma name comma age comma salary comma department ID. No, you don't need to do that. So we can write select star from employee. Now if I execute this, see, the complete table is fetched. Okay. Same way, if we write select star from department, so all the values from the department will be fetched. Okay, clear? Okay, now we are going to learn about as keyword. Let's say when I am selecting all the names, I want the column name to be name of the employees, not only name. Okay, so I can write select name as name of the employees from employee. Okay, so it is always better if you write in capital. Okay, so now see, if I run this, see, the column name has been changed. This is the name, but the column name has been changed. So by using the as keyword you can give a name as per your choice. Okay, now we are going to understand about where clause. Where clause means when you will put some condition. Okay, now let's say my query is I want the name of those employees where salary is greater than 50,000. Okay, so you understand, I am putting a condition. Whenever you put a condition you have to use the where clause. So you have to write select. What do you want to select? Name. From which table? Employee. Now I am putting a condition where what? Salary greater than 50,000. Okay, now if I run this, see, Alice, Bob, David. Now if you want to see their salary also, then you have to write name comma salary. So it will give you name and salary. I think everyone's salary is greater than 50,000. Okay, so we can make like let's say 90,000. Then Alice and Bob will not come. So I'm putting it 90,000. No one salary is greater than 90,000. So let's give 70,000. Then I think we can get some value. Okay, Bob, David, Ian. Okay, so this way you can filter your data. You are putting some condition using the where clause. Okay, or if you want, you can do something else also. Let me show you the table. So you can check that only name of those employees who have age greater than 26. Okay, so for that, what will be the query? So you have to write select name, comma, I want to see the age also from employee table where age is greater than 26. See, they are all greater than 26. Okay, if you want greater than 30, then Alice will be removed. So you just have to write 30. Okay, now where clause can be used for updating also. Update using where clause. Okay, let's say in employee table, I want to update Bob's salary. I want to make it 90,000. Okay, so for updating Bob's salary also I can use the where clause. Let me show you. I have to write update on which table? Employees. What do you want to update? I want to set. Update always comes with set. So update set. Now which column? Salary. Set what? I want to make the salary 90,000. So I am setting salary as 90,000. For whom? So here you have to give the condition. The condition is not for everyone but for Bob only. So where name equals to Bob. Now see if I run this. Run this. I think it's done. If I want to check Bob's salary, so I can write select. How can I check Bob's salary? I can write select salary from employee where name condition is Bob because I want to see only Bob's salary. So I can write name equal to Bob. Okay, so just let me run this. Bob's salary is not set, but why is that so? Oh, sorry, I have given wrong table name. Update employee, not employees. I'm really sorry for that. So now if I execute, I think now it's done. See, okay, so using where clause you can update somebody's salary or you can update whatever you want to do. Let's say I want to update David's age. I want to make it 45 maybe for some reason. So I can just write set age equals to 45 where name equal to David, or you can say where employee ID equals to 104. Let me show you. In this way also you can change where employee ID equals to 104. Now if I run this, so it's done. So if I want to check, select age from employee where I'm putting the same condition. So I'm putting where employee ID equals to 104. Okay, so see what is the age, 45. Clear? So in this way you can update. You can also delete by using the where clause. I want to delete someone's data. Let's say I want to delete the row of Eva. Okay, so I can write delete from which table? Employee. Delete from employee. What? So you have to put some condition where name equals to Eva. This is a string. So you have to write in this way. Delete from table where condition. Okay. So I think it's done. Delete from employee, one row affected. So if I want to now check, select name from employee, you can see that Eva is not present anymore. See, Charlie, David, Frank. Okay. While giving some condition, you have to use where clause. Using where clause, you can fetch data, you can update data, or you can delete data. Okay, so today we have learned how to use select clause, how to use from clause, and how to use where clause. Okay, bye, happy learning.